And from here pointed on, Polly is going to talk about 4 attacks from the most common to the least. And so the first one, malware. So malware is a general term referring to the bad softwares. Okay, so each of these attacks, okay, started off as our computers contracting one of these malwares. So one very common example is called the spyware. It's a malware that records keystrokes as well as the websites you just visited. Imagine you going to gmail.com and shortly after that, typing your password. The worst part of these spyware is this: all these information will be uploaded without you knowing to the hacker's pocket. So if you wonder how come your NTU account get hijacked, yeah, scan for these spywares, all right? Another very popular malware these days you see are called ransomware. So this is the kind of malware that would encrypt important documents on your hard disk and send you an email saying that send us money, and then we send you the decrypting code, okay? Just like, you know, having a kid being kidnapped. Yeah, you receive a ransom saying that, hey, give us 2 million and we'll release your kid. So malware, quite a few of these. It's the variety is now getting diverse and diverse. Now, the second question is, how do we contract these malwares? Okay, that is the root of the problem, isn't it? Yeah, we contracted these malwares through multiple means, but nowadays very common is that you receive a text message on your phone or an email, okay? And inside the email, it reads a little bit vague, but they're indeed from your friends, okay? Your friends, not knowing that their accounts are already compromised, okay? So it looked kind of legit and unclear. Therefore, you clicked into these links to try to find out. And boom, right at that point, some scripts gets executed and you've downloaded a virus or a worm. And inside these viruses or worms, or generally as internet pests, okay? And part of these viruses and worms' job is to plant malwares. Part of these viruses and worms' job is also trying to replicate themselves so that they infect other documents you have on your hard disk. Okay. The main differences between these two types of pests is this. For virus, yeah, it can replicate itself on a hard disk, but it does not generally spread out of the hard disk unless the user there unknowingly copying the files to some other computers. Now, worm here is a little bit advanced, okay? The worm here can be advanced in a way that sending the worms themselves, okay, as email, as text messages to other users, to the user's friends, okay? And we as friends, yeah, contract the worm ourselves, and then, yeah, we kind of endanger also our friends. Malware, that is because of the spread model. Malware is very popular, very common today.